My name's Ndidi John and I am the author of Roots, a play about the 1919 race riots that swept through Britain, starting in Glasgow and ending right there behind me in Barry. I really thoroughly enjoyed bringing Roots to life. It was my first ever writing commission, my first ever play that I was putting out for the public, and I really wanted to make a mark and start as I meant to go on. I wanted to educate, I wanted to bring history to the fore, I wanted to express myself as a cultural activist, and it was just the perfect moment for me. And actually the responses that I got when it first came out was exactly what I wanted. People didn't understand what it was. People wanted to read more, they wanted to research more, which spurred me then to create my 4-part documentary that is also available online, and also then an education resource. I always wanted to educate with my work. Every single play that I write has an education behind it, within it, woven through, because I just think it's really important to share, but then also to teach. It's been great, obviously, for me as a writer to be able to progress Roots. And one of the things that I love the most about it, especially now that it's, reaching schools, is that I am here to support schools in manifesting workshops and creating activities for young people to delve deeper into the race riots, to really press in and look at what communication was like then, what the empire was like then, what history was theirs for the taking. When I wrote Roots, I gave myself the challenge of telling the story of the riots through the eyes of 2 women. I just wanted to challenge myself to see if it was possible to not have to show the riots, but to show what happens on the periphery, what was happening inside the homes, the pain, the anguish, the separation, the discrimination. There was so much going on that wasn't happening on the streets, but the fallout of that was massively important to me. One of the things that really excites me about Roots is the fact that I am here to share more of my knowledge, to work with schools on a personal basis, to create educational resources for their pupils, and to really just imagine and inspire works around those stories, and not just mine, but other stories in history that have gone untold. So it's just really great to connect with the schools and to be acknowledged. Not only that, but for other young people, like I was at school, I didn't really see that many people that connected with me, that looked like me, and now here I am, ready and raring to hit the schools and really see what I can bring to the table. I really hope you enjoy Roots, and please do not hesitate to get in touch if there's anything I can do to support your learning in the classroom.